I think he's bored now. We'll come back and see.
What's he doing?
Bye, George.
I'll see you soon.
Bye, Georgie boy.
See you soon. Like him the song again.
Frankie's addicted to bark.
What are you doing?
Hello.
Oh, I might. I'll be back in a second. Goodbye. It's another bird.
Meaning golden.
Thank fucker. Another bird? There we go, like a bird.
Are very
There he is,
closely
bird.
related species and easily crossbreed, making it difficult to find pure speckies. As with most pheasants, they are actually dimorphic. Oh, George.
Why are you staring at me like that?
Hello.
Goodbye.
I think he's bored now. We'll come back and see.
What's he doing?
Bye, George.
I'll see you soon.
Bye, Georgie boy.
See you soon. Like him the song again.
Frankie's addicted to bark.
What are you doing?
Hello.
Oh, I might. I'll be back in a second. Goodbye.
Oh, George.
Why are you staring at me like that?
Hello.
Goodbye.